Unlock the power of ONNX embeddings in Oracle AI database. Are you tired of dealing with complex machine learning workflows and slow database queries? Well, we've got some exciting news for you. Oracle AI database just got a major boost with the integration of ONNX Open Neural Network Exchange embeddings. In this video, we'll show you how to build ONNX embedding workflows in Oracle AI database using Python. First, let's talk about what ONNX embeddings are and why they're a game changer. ONNX is an open standard format for representing trained machine learning models, allowing them to be transferred between different frameworks and platforms. This means you can train a model in one framework, such as TensorFlow or PyTorch, and deploy it in another, like Oracle AI Database. The key benefit of using ONNX embeddings in Oracle AI Database is that it enables you to leverage the power of machine learning in your database. By embedding machine learning models directly into your database, you can speed up complex queries, improve data analysis, and gain deeper insights into your data. But how do you get started with building ONNX embedding workflows in Oracle AI Database? The good news is that it's easier than you think. Oracle provides a Python library called Oracle AI that if this helped you understand the possibilities, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what you'd use this for. Subscribe for more AI breakthroughs delivered weekly.